Very early this morning. He's not just a driver, he's a shark catcher. He caught the, oh no, okay. There, I wouldn't worry about that fin in the water or the ominous music we're hearing right now. Oh my gosh, that's our intern, George. George, get out of the water! George! George, what are you doing? George, swim! Swim to the boat with your arms and your... Okay. Well, if anyone is looking to join our internship program, we have an immediate opening. Check that out. Okay, we're gonna hide out behind these gasoline barrels. That seems safe. I feel good about this decision. Okay, does anybody see the shark? Oh my goodness, the dock is on fire. But you know what? Sharks are afraid of fire. I read that somewhere. Oh no. Oh boy. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oy vey. Oh, wow. I couldn't predict that. Is everybody okay? Car 4 back there, car 3, thank you, sir. Part 2, we're doing all right. Now, just yell it out, guys. Can anybody tell me what kind of shark that was? A great white. That's a really good guess. It's actually a plastic shark.
You're not going anywhere. Not with a hole in your... Hit my seatplate. Adios, cousin. Who's gonna stop me now? You? I don't think so. You don't have a leg to stand on. No! Yes! I, Deacon of Waterworld, celebrate the birth of a new nation. Dry land is my destiny!
Hey, Deacon!
Hey, what?